Here's how to get the 2D membership pack onto your own machine. It's quick, a few minutes, all in your browser. Sign up, join, download. Then you're ready to deploy. Start at the membership product page. The link is in the description. Just click through. First time here, create an account. Email or a social login, either works. Follow the prompts and the account is ready. This step just lets the platform know you. No payment yet. With an account, you can join the membership. Click to get access on the product page. Go to checkout. Fill in your payment details and confirm. The plan price is right there on the page. No surprises. Once it goes through, you're a member. And the pack you came for is inside the member area. Inside the member area, open the Courses app. There are 2 deployment lessons, one for each system. Each lesson has the walkthrough video up top and the pack right below. On Windows with WSL, open Deploy on WSL and save the pack to your desktop. On macOS, it's the same. Open Deploy on macOS and save it to your downloads. With this pack, you have the full workflow source. Before or after you grab the pack, do one thing. Join the community. Open chat. This is where people talk and ask. Stuck on a deploy, curious how others use it? Ask here. You're not doing this alone. By now the pack is on your machine. The next step is to get it running. The deployment walkthrough is right there in the same lesson for your system. It's also linked in the description if you'd rather follow along there. There's also a free starter pack down there to try first. You have it now, go build your own thing.